Hello guys and welcome to our channel. In this video I will show you how to do this viral trend right here. It's an Indonesian one and it's really fun to do. So if you want to see how you can do this, add your stickers, this trend, this Instagram trend, then keep on watching. First of all, we have to click on the search icon from the bottom of the screen on our Instagram app, of course. And from here you have to search for my account, which is Kalian John YTT. And then for my Instagram you have to go to new 2022 March at highlights. And from here you just have to tap until you find the desired sticker. So there we have it. Click on the others button. And if you are not able to click on the add yours button, once I will do the story for this video, I will show you from where you can get a tutorial to help you solve your problem. But first, let me do the story and afterwards I will show you that tutorial. So now you can go to your uploads. So first of all, we have to go on our browser, our favorite browser. I will go with this one. And you have to type in to Google, so type in here google.com. Then here you have to type in this. I don't know how to pronounce it, but you have to type in these 3 words. So here they say, Earth Day, which animal are you? So here you have some questions. What are you up to on a typical Friday night? So here you just have to choose what are you up to on a typical Friday night. So me, it's rarely seen out. You and your best friend show up to a party wearing the same outfit. What's your reaction? Fight? Choose a snack. Salad. What do you look for in a partner? I look old-fashioned values. Choose a hobby. Work around the house. So now they say you're a Komodo dragon. You have an appetite for life as well as the ability to swallow an entire goat. Oh my. So now you have to screenshot this. Go back to your Instagram. After here, you have to go to your uploads and choose that screenshot you took earlier. Now you can place your sticker where you want, make it bigger or smaller. And now you can share your story. So guys, now if you are not able to click on the others button, what can you do? You have to go once again on my Instagram account. And from here you have to go to super viral at highlights. And here you will find this first story. Not able to click on others button, then you can click on this YouTube link right here. And it will get you to my YouTube channel once again to a video which has only 3 minutes. It's super easy to follow and it will definitely help you. So make sure to check that. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like this video and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.